Now, quite a few of you have been asking about how Debra is, and I didn't really want to say anything without her being here. We had plans on going up to a camper, and she was going to show us a garden and the heater and a dog and all this, that and the other. But things have been moving on at a bit of a rapid pace. So I'd better tell you, because I'm in a bit of a dilemma too. Early this year, or well, late last year, Debra found she had a bit of a lump on her abdomen. People were saying, "Oh, it's a hernia" or something like that. And then it started to get a little bit, well, not so much painful, but discomforting. So she managed to get to a doctor, and then the doctor whipped her off for a scan, and then it went for some other tests, and they're saying it's a cancer, which isn't fun. So we've been backwards and forwards for scans and 2 biopsies and this, that and the other. It's been an absolute manic carry on, waiting for phone calls. The doctor says they're going to call, then they don't call. So that's why I haven't been doing all that much. And also, they have to give her chemotherapy, which she's undergoing at the moment. She's in hospital at the moment. And she can't go back to the we're all saying she can't go back to the camper and be on her own. So in my small apartment, we've set up a little single bed and some bits and pieces for her, so she can be close to the bathroom, close to the kitchen and things like this if she ever wants anything, and she can get some rest. So that's what we've been up to. I know it sounds, so I'm turning out to be a bit of a nurse. I'll have to get myself a little uniform, you know, that'd be good, wouldn't it? She's in good spirits, but it is a bit, I don't know, concerning what they're going to do. And the reason why she's having chemo now, because they said that this lump thing is too big to operate on, so they're giving a course of very nasty chemo to try and shrink it. Now, if you know anybody who's been through chemo, it's pretty bloody brutal. That's why I want to keep my eye on her here. And, you know, sort of run around with my little nurse's uniform on. So that's just a little update. Now, if you want to, I've set her up an email address. I'll write it down here, or this way, or this way. It's a Google address, it's a Gmail address, but it's Debra Peg 069. I didn't come up with that number. At gmail.com. I'll write it in the description, and if you want to drop her a line, she can pick it up on her phone or a little tablet that she's got there, and that'll cheer her up a little bit. And if you want to send her a card or something, or you know, some little private card, I'll put my address courtesy, you know, care of Debra, and you can write to her there, because she likes watching all these videos and people asking about her. So that's what we're up to. But like I say, everything's been moving on at a rapid pace. So, you know, plans go a little bit array, you know, or is it array? I don't know. It goes pear-shaped. So that's it. That's the news. I'll keep you posted. But like I say, she's in hospital until I think it's Friday. And the worst thing about it now, I've got a feeling I'm developing a cold. I woke up with a bad head, sore throat, aches. That's not good to be having somebody with chemo, because once you've had chemo, your immune system's shot. What a mess. Anyway, take care everybody. Catch you later.